If mushrooms and hearty grains are your love language, this pilaf might just become your new favorite recipe. Start by toasting pearl barley in a dry saucepan for just a few minutes until it smells nutty and lightly browned. Next, melt a little vegan butter and sauté onion and celery until soft and fragrant. Then, stir in your mushrooms and let them cook down until they release their liquid and turn tender and savory. Once the mushrooms are ready, add the toasted barley back in, pour in vegetable broth, and season with dried thyme, parsley, salt, and pepper. Bring it to a boil, then cover and let it simmer low and slow until the barley is perfectly chewy and tender. If there's extra liquid at the end, just uncover and let it cook off. Finish with fresh parsley, a squeeze of lemon, or my favorite, a drizzle of lemon herb tahini or yogurt dill sauce to brighten everything up. It's hearty, comforting, and totally plant-based. Visit Nuts and Twigs for the details.